So this is going to be a really short tutorial video on how to use Claude and Midjourney together to be able to make web graphics. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick an image. It can be whatever you want. I've already looked up these web development graphics. I picked this one. And so what I did is I fed it to Claude and I said, I want to recreate this image with a text to image large language model, and I need you to create the prompt to describe that. So it does that down here. I've already fed it in a Midjourney, so this is the result that I get. And the part that can be really cool is that you can combine style elements of multiple images into one image. So the next part that I did is I had these existing images. I think I took this one, and I said, I just want you to describe the theme. I don't want you to describe the particular components. Just give me a general analysis of the aesthetic. And now I've got the details describing the general theme of this. And then what I did next is say, excellent, now please update this prompt, which was the original up here, with this theme that we just generated here. And it's given me a new prompt. And what I've done with that is it's created these. So you can see here, these look quite similar to this one. However, they have more of the color theme of these. So you can get really creative with this. You could combine as many of these as you want. One thing I will say, AI legality is an ongoing debate. So make sure you check the terms of service of these tools and be careful what you copy. But if you're using like open source, free to use licensed images, I don't think there would be an issue. But again, not legal advice. Do your own research. Thanks for watching.